Ang view namin ay gilid ng sea. First order of the day, breakfast. Ay buti, talaga itong mag-asawang to. Good morning. Pag Josh, good morning. Good morning. Breakfast muna kami dito sa Nanggis.
Hati na lang tayo? Hindi, kulang yan. Yahoo!
Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
At matapos ng ilang minuto, andito na kami ngayon sa Akari.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
At nandito na tayo sa Alacapat, Cagayan para magpapultang ulit ng ating motor. Tayo ay nanggaling sa Tugigaraw, tapos nag-Apari, tapos ongoing tayo ngayon sa Pagudpod. Magkano kaya? Naging na 500 pesos. Yeah bro. So Kapote Gaming muna kami at naulan.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
At nandito kami ngayon sa Kambingan at Bulalo. Kitchen. Kain muna tayo.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Nandito kami sa gilid ng highway. Ang view namin ay gilid ng sea. Bye-bye. Let's go! Andito kami guys ngayon sa Calvario Patapat Natural Park.
Ano ba?
Sabay ubuhin.
Sorry.
Galing lang namin sa... Uy, saan tayo galing?
Sa may ano?
Doon lang.
Overlook ng beach.
So far, ang ganda ng ano namin yan. Medyo mambon lang ng konti. Hindi kami inulan talaga ng malakas. Pero ang haba nung binaybay namin na umaambon. Napakaganda nung daan. So may gusto ka ba yung shoutout?
Basta.
Ay, boss! Thank you, boss! Shoutout kay mami, shoutout kay mama,
Kay Ate Asin.
shoutout kay papa. Sorry, hindi ako nakasama sa Bicol.
Kay Kuya Paul. Kay Emilia. Kay Ishan. Kay Steve. Kay Gabi. Kay Joey. Tsaka kay Rock Rock.
Zoe, Chloe.
Chloe pala.
Ayun lang. Bye. At ngayon, nandito na kami sa Patapat Bridge. Wow! Ganda na ng weather namin. Picture.
Day 3.
Good morning sa inyo, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Asa ba tayo? Welcome to
Pagod pa.
Good. Napapalibutan kami ng mga windmills ng Ilocos.